In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing presentations using Morph animation in Canva. It's super simple and adds a professional touch to your slides. Let's get started. First, let's add a background. Head over to Elements. I've already used some elements before recording, so I'll select this one. Now, right-click on the image and set it as the background. Next, go back and choose another image. I'll remove its background and crop any extra space if needed. Then I'll slightly increase its size and position it in the center. Now let's add a heading. Go to Text and add a heading. Increase the size. Type in your title and position it at the top like this. For the font, head over to Fonts and pick one you like. I'm choosing this font for my title. Increase its size. Then set the heading color to match your design. Next, go to Effects and apply the lift style. I'll reduce its intensity to around 30. Now, send the text to the back of the image and center it properly. Let's also reduce the image size a bit to make everything balanced. Now, it's time to add animations. First, select the text, scroll down to Animations, and choose the baseline animation. Set the direction to down and the speed to slow. Then, select the image and apply the same baseline animation. This time, set the direction to up and reduce the speed as well. Our first slide is ready. Next, duplicate the slide. Move the image to the left side like this, and increase its size. Then move the text to the right, reduce its size, and set the text alignment to left. Now let's add another text box. Set its alignment to left too, and type the subtitle or additional info for the slide. Now go to Fonts. For this one, I'm choosing Source Sans Pro. I'll make the text capitalize and increase the line height a little bit for better readability. Lastly, add the animation to this new text. Choose Baseline Animation again, and make it slow as we do on other elements. Now both slides are ready. Let's add a smooth transition. Click the transition icon between the slides, choose Match and Move, and set the speed to 0.8 seconds. Also, reduce the duration of both slides to around 2.5 seconds, or whatever works for your presentation. Let's preview the animation. And as you can see, it looks great. Now, just duplicate the slides and change the images and text for your next slides. Once the other two slides are added, go to Transition, and this time choose the Flow Transition. Set the duration to 0.8 seconds again. Lastly, also set each new slide's duration to around 2.5 seconds. Now repeat this process for as many slides as you need. I've added 2 more slides to complete the presentation. Now let me show you the final result. So, this is how you can easily create these amazing animated presentations in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to learn even more Canva tips and tricks, make sure to watch this video next, where I'll show you 10 Canva tips you probably didn't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.